channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Today I'm going to cook pancit bihon, our famous rice stick recipe. The ingredients we're gonna use to make our pancit bihon are, we're gonna use chicken broth, oyster sauce, chicken, garlic and onion, red and green pepper, green onion, carrots, snow peas, and bok choy. If you don't have no bok choy, you can use green cabbage. And of course, our rice stick bihon over here. So you can buy this in HEB by Oriental Oil. And also olive oil. First, I'm going to put oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. So after the oil heats up, it's time to put the garlic. Okay? And then the onions. So I'm going to wait until they're all golden brown. The garlics are brown. It's time for me to put our chicken. So I'm going to cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Okay? So just covered it for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is done. So cooking with salad master way, normally if you cook this one in regular cook pan, it takes 45 minutes. But in my salad master, it only takes 10 minutes. Okay? So basically, you just have to dump everything. Okay. Now I'm going to put the bihon first. I already cut them to half. This one comes with 3 pieces. So I took one and cut into half. And today I'm going to cook 1.5. So I have 3 halves over here. Okay, so just dump everything. Carrots, snow peas, and this one here, and the bok choy. And then I'm going to use a chicken broth, a half of this one. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, and then covered it, set it to 350. And so let's check it out. Alright, let's open. Ooh, look at the vegetable. Now I'm going to stir them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next recipe. We'll see you later. Bye.